Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to live my life. Alright guys, so what I want to do first, I just got out of the shower, so my hair is pretty dry right now. I got my my electric toothbrush here. Alright guys, now that I'm done brushing my teeth, I am going to wash my face. Alright, so we got two here that I use, alright? We got this, it's a gentle skin cleanser, alright? And then we got this one here, which is L'Oreal, and it is charcoal. High five! Alright guys, so basically I just take this stuff here that looks like, okay, I'm gonna be honest, it looks like semen. But it is not, okay? This is the gentle skin cleanser, okay? I'm just gonna put that on my face here, okay? Now, oh wait a minute. Okay, so I kind of messed up here. I was supposed to put the charcoal on first, but it's fine. I'm just gonna put this, the rag over to the side, because we're gonna be using that later on. I got my towel here with my name on it. That's how fancy I am, you know? We got our charcoal here, okay? So, pure clay cleanser. Alright, and I'm gonna put this poop, can you see that? Yeah. I'm gonna put this poop on my face, alright? So, basically, we're just gonna, now this is gonna look weird. Also, thumbnail is from 2019. And then basically you got this here, and I'm just gonna put this on my face. Is that good? Okay, it's everywhere. Alright, so as you can see here, alright, so basically it's all over my face. Alright, we're just gonna wet face with it, alright? Okay. And you know, you need to get around like the corners here and stuff, because this stuff is not, like, it's very obvious if you didn't get it off. It's like a green color. Also guys, this is not a random video. People wanted this. Usually, I would wet my hair to get it like easier to move and stuff, but like I already took a shower, so I don't think I really have to do that. Alright, you know what, we're gonna wet my hair. Alright, so I've wet my hair and it's dripping everywhere. I've also like ruined my sink. So as you can see, my hair is wet, okay? So now I'm going to take this, okay, and I'm just gonna wet it. Alright, now I'm just gonna part it. Alright, and there we go. I am all set here. Alright, there's my hair. Let me get up close. Oh, okay, it's... Alright, well basically there's my hair. So, anyway, that's going to be it for me today. So if you liked it, please like button. I kind of thought this video was going to be better. It's not. Alright guys, if you want to see my most recent video, click up there. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.